Well, I just turned around and saw this giant barge coming through. Locking dam number 5 here while we're slaying gar and pike and cats, and it's called the American Duchess. 2-story, like, might be a casino. I don't even know. This is a giant lounge cruise ship. I've never seen one like it. I'm gonna let this run for a little bit. Record this as it comes through the dam because it's pretty sweet. The American Duchess. I'm gonna have to look it up because it is radical looking. Here she is. It's moving now. Yeah, we just got that sheep head off. The American Duchess. Pretty beautiful. Here she goes. Ripping through. Look at all the rooms on it, man. Three stories, probably 4. Beautiful. That's awesome. Big paddle boat, yeah. There she goes. Down the river. Gonna get some more baits in. American Duchess. I am so scared right now, man.